Hi, Attorney Brenton Begley here. Let's talk about long-term care insurance. So there's three ways to pay for long-term care. There's out-of-pocket, there's long-term care insurance, and there's getting a benefit like VA or Medicaid to help pay for the long-term care. So let's focus on the long-term care insurance. Long-term care insurance is actually a good option if you can either qualify for it or afford it. Now, I don't sell insurance, but I know enough about it to know that there's a lot of options out there for how these insurance policies can be structured. If you can afford it, and if it's something that makes sense to pay for, then you really ought to have it and keep it, okay? Now, I can't tell you what makes sense to pay for, because again, I'm not licensed to sell insurance, but I've seen really good policies that have done really good for clients of ours. So the ideal situation is having a long-term care insurance policy coupled with a really good estate plan, because long-term care insurance policies are very helpful, but they supplement the cost of care. They typically don't cover the full cost of care. Long-term care is expensive, folks. Long-term care insurance is also expensive for most straight policies, but regardless of how much you pay, it's very rare to get a policy that will cover the full cost of care. So just understand that. So you need to have a plan B for if that policy kicks off, right? So if you've got an in-home care, you need a higher level of care, and that policy is maxed out, then you need a plan B for how to make sure your assets are protected and how to make sure you can qualify for a benefit to pay for that care if the insurance can't do it. So long-term care insurance, it's a good thing to have, okay? And it's ideally coupled with a really good estate plan that is going to contemplate you using that long-term care insurance and one day maxing it out and it not working for you any longer. If you have questions about long-term care insurance or long-term care, give us a call, 704-259-7040.